Hi everyone. So in this session, we will solve one more question related to sacrifice ratio. The question: Mohan and Madan are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. So this 4:3, this is what profit sharing ratio when the business organization only two partners. They admit Murali into partnership. Murali is a new partner. So after that admission of a new partner, I mean Murali, the new profit sharing ratio is agreed at 7 is to 4 is to 3 respectively. 7 is to 4 is to 3. This is what new profit sharing ratio after that admission of a new partner, that is Murali. Finally, find out the sacrifice ratio of old partners. Old partners means nothing but Mohan and Madan, right? So first now we need to take headline. The headline: calculation of sacrifice ratio. Calculation of sacrifice ratio or share of Mohan and Madan. Mohan and Madan both are old partners, right? Now we need to ascertain sacrifice ratio in between the partners. So for that calculation of these ratio, first we need to record data, whatever the data they given. The first one we need to write old profit sharing ratio. What is that old profit sharing ratio they given? 4:3, right? 4:3. So this ratio easily we can convert it by the way of 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 divided by 7 is to 3 by 7. This is what old profit sharing ratio. And the same being new profit sharing ratio after that admission of a new partner, I mean Murali, the ratios are 7 is to 4 is to 3. 7 is to 4 is to 3. These ratios we will convert. 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 total 14. 7 divided by 14. This is what share of Mohan. 7 is divided by 14. 4 divided by 14 is to 3 divided by 14. These 4 is to 3. These ratios are Mohan and Madan. 7 is to 4 is to 3. This is what ratio of Mohan, Madan and Murali. So this is what given data in the question. Now we need to apply the formula for the calculation of sacrificing ratio. This is the formula. Sacrifice ratio equals to old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio, or old share minus new share. This is what formula for the calculation for sacrifice ratio or share. The first person, Mohan, right? First we need to calculate sacrifice share of Mohan. So in that Mohan, first of all, what is the old share of Mohan? 4 by 7. This is what Mohan's old share, right? You have to write 4 divided by 7 is minus new share of Mohan. What is the new share of Mohan? The new share of Mohan, sir, 7 divided by 14. 7 divided by 14. This is what old share as well as new share of Mohan. But as per the recorded values, the denominator fractions are both are add numbers. Like add numbers means nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are the various examples for add numbers. Even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are the I mean add numbers. I mean even numbers and add numbers. So in this question, the 7 and 14 both are add numbers, right? In this situation, easily we can take the LCM factor. How we need to calculate that LCM factor? So I will take separately one page for these calculations. The denominator fractions are 7 and 14, right? I will take 7 and 14. So I have to calculate. So 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. The same way 7 twos are 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. So now we need to simplify. 7 into 1 into 2. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 14 is a maximum value. So always whatever the maximum value, that value we can take that LCM factor. So I have to simplify now. So by the way of using this value, 14 into 4 divided by 7. 14, this is what maximum value, right? 14 into 4 by 7. First value we need to take. So 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 2 fours are 8. One value we have asserted. And the same thing we need to calculate one more new shape also. The same thing, 14 into 7 divided by 14. 7 by 14. 14 ones are 14. 1 7 is 7. 14 ones are 14. 1 7 is 7. So we are simplified. 8 and 7, right? 8 minus 7 divided by the maximum value, it is 14. So 8 minus 7, what is the differentiation? 1. 1 divided by 14. This is what? Sacrifice share of Mohan. So in the next step, on the same way, we can calculate one more partner sacrifice share. This is the next partner, I mean old partner, Madan. Sacrifice share of Madan. What is the old share of Madan? As per the given details, 3 by 7. This is what? Old share of Madan, right? Have to write 3 by 7 minus new share. What is the new share of Madan? 4 divided by 14. 4 divided by 14. So here also easily we can take that LCM factor. 7 and 14, right? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Again you have to multiply. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 14, this is what? Maximum value. We need to simplify by the way of using LCM factor. By the way of using these 14 into the first value, old share, right? 3 by 7. 3 by 7. Again, we have to simplify. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 2 threes are 6. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 2 threes are 6. Again, on the same thing, 14 into 4 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14, 1 fours are 4. 14 ones are 14, 1 fours are 4. So we have simplified the values. 6 and 4, 8. 6 minus 4 divided by the maximum value 14. 6 minus 4, what is the differentiation? The differentiation 2 divided by 14. So this is what? Sacrifice share of Madan. So As of now, we have calculated both the partners' sacrifice share. Now we need to simplify the ratios. Sacrifice share of Mohan and Madan. Mohan and Madan's are, and divided by 14 is to 2 by 14. 14 cancel means 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. This is what sacrifice share of Mohan and Madan. The old partner, both the partners, they are sacrificing on the basis of 1 is to 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 4, this is what share of new partners, Murali, right? So 3, the old partners, both the partners, they are sacrificing some part of profit on the event of incoming partner. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 14. They are sacrificing in the business organization. This is what solution regarding as per the question bank first question answer. So in the next session we will solve some more questions are related to these sacrificing ratios by the way using these LCM factors. Thank you students.